What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we're hiking solo. It's started to snow. Maybe you can see it up there. But we're gonna go to the top and see if we can get some cool drone video. Usually don't love to hike alone, but sometimes it's fun if you just want to get away. It's so pretty out here. Nice and cool so you don't overheat. It's just fun to get out in nature sometimes. But let's hope there's some good views up here. From the Midwest originally, and obviously there's snow there, and I do miss the snow. I just don't want to live in it anymore, because if I have to drive like an hour and a half or 2 hours to go see it, that would be perfect. Now there's a little bit here. It's like a dusting. I know they got a couple inches the other night, but really hoping it's snowy at the top, because from what I could see from the road, it looked really nice. So that would be awesome if we can get some snowy mountain peak drone video today. Look at this, you guys. Let me zoom in a bit more here. Nice little lake down there. Higher elevation. And up that way, got some real snowy stuff. I don't know where this trail is headed, but I hope it's up there. When the resort's open, I do want to start doing skiing vlogs, but I don't know if I'll do downhill. It's just, there's too much messing around with the camera, like in between runs and lifts and all that. And I don't think it's really representative of how fun it is. It never looks quite as steep, never looks quite as immersive. I just think it's too fast-paced to capture well on a vlog. But I will be doing cross-country stuff. I just got into that last year and I love it. And I'm surprised I didn't do it earlier, but you know, it's expensive and there's other things I'm interested in, like drones. So I do hope to do that. I think you guys would like that, because that's like a whole other world of like exploring and stuff. You got the hiking and that's fun, but it's just nothing like skiing. It's a whole different experience and it's awesome. So look forward to that. Hope I can get out quite a few times this winter. Out of breath. I do live kind of far away from where I can do that. But I hope to get out quite a few times. We'll see. pick, man, one type of environment and say that was my favorite, this type of stuff, this has got to be it. This is kind of like the lifestyle I've always wanted to have. Going on these hikes, flying drones, looking at awesome locations, skiing, and I finally took steps to make that happen. And I'm so happy. I hope you guys can see this and maybe it inspires you to move where you want to move. It took me 30 years, but I finally got the balls to do it and I could not be happier. Look how pretty this is though. There's nothing like that thick mountain snow walking through it. Luckily this isn't too deep, otherwise I couldn't do this on foot, but it's like perfect. This is exactly what I was hoping for today. So I'm really happy. I just hope the summit here is worth it. I don't know how much further I got. It's not a terribly long one today. This got real gnarly real quick. I'm like in the middle of the fucking woods now. It's like not clear where I'm supposed to go. So I guess I'll just keep going forward, following the clearings. There's kind of clearings here. Look at this, you guys. This is like middle of winter. There's like a foot of snow here. It's insane. I was kind of hoping for this, but I guess I wasn't expecting it to actually happen. This is awesome. I don't know if this trail actually leads anywhere, but it looks like I'm almost at the end of it. Okay, well, I made it like 10 feet further and there was bobcat or cougar or something tracks out there. So I'm not really trying to get bit by a fucking cougar today. So I'm gonna turn around. Really wish I had a spot to fly my drone. Maybe at a clearing down below, we'll see, but it's not looking good. The snow is pretty thick here. I don't really have anything to take off and land on. So we might be out of luck with the drone, but this has still been fun. Let's head down. I'm most of the way down now. Kind of bummed I didn't get to fly my drone. Honestly, in one of those clearings I probably could have, but my gloves are wet and when I take them off my hands would freeze and I didn't want to deal with that the rest of the way down. So I'll be coming back here because this spot is just beautiful. I think it'd make for some really good footage. But it just unfortunately was not in the cards today. That got really, really gnarly at the top there. I've already talked about it, but like a foot of snow, you couldn't even see the path. And the group behind me actually was following my tracks that I made. And I was following the All Trails map. All Trails kind of sucks sometimes, but usually what I found is the trails they have marked, they are there. They're just sometimes sketchy or on someone's property, but they are always there. That's what I've found personally. But all in all, really glad I came out here today. I just love this stuff. I know I've said this a million times by now, but this is the exact kind of thing that I wanted to do more of. It's why I moved. I just love it. I love everything about it. So if you were where I was, you want to move to a new spot, do stuff that you wanted to do, that you've always dreamed of doing, take inspiration from this. I'm 30. It took me that long to finally do something about it. And I could not be happier now. Yeah, you got to start over. And it's a lot of work. I mean, not to mention all the moving stuff to deal with. but it's so worth it. If you have any thought in your mind of you wanting to do something like this, do it. You're not getting any younger, and you're gonna regret it when you're older, 100%. So if you wanna do it, go for it. All right, well, that's gonna do it for today. That was a fun one. I really hope you guys like all this different stuff I've been doing, because this is the type of stuff that I'm all about. Drones, just being outside, mechanical design, all that stuff. I just love all of that. I wanna share it with you guys and hopefully get some of you out there excited about it too, because that's important to me. I wanna keep this type of thing like this. I don't wanna say STEM because that's so cliche, but it's kind of true. Like just that tinkering, that learning, that exploring. I want to get that out there because I really do believe that's extremely important. Hopefully I can play a small part inspiring you guys and giving you ideas, or maybe just entertaining you, whatever it is. But until next time, I really appreciate you guys following along, and I would love it if you would drop me a like down below. Feel free to comment, and please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching.